literally in the middle of this shit.
Heavy rain on Thursday caused flooding in several areas of Omaha and the surrounding area until Friday. It was reported on Friday that the flooding swept away vehicles near Saddle Creek Road near 50th Street, prompting the arrival of rescue teams. An Omaha man shared his experience helping to pull a woman from her car as flash floods hit parts of the area during heavy rain on Thursday. On Thursday, authorities issued a flash flood warning for Douglas County at 5:45 p.m. Several videos circulating on social media showed several areas in Omaha that had been flooded in the past few days.
And yeah, my car is literally in the middle of this shit. And I don't know what to do.
Cause it's cleared up now, you know what I'm saying? You see all them cars right here? All these niggas was floating backwards, stuck. Then that dumpster down there.
I've never seen it this fucking bad, but I don't know where to move my car at. Like, it is so bad.
The flash flood warning was heard on the phone in the Omaha area a few minutes before 6 p.m., and the warning is expected to be in effect until 7:45 p.m. In addition, authorities also appealed to the entire community to remain vigilant and careful in carrying out outdoor activities due to the extreme weather conditions that have hit their area for the past few days. In addition to flooding, the bad weather last Thursday also brought heavy rain, hail and thunderstorms to several areas of Omaha and its surroundings.
And yeah, my car is literally in the middle of this shit. And I don't know what to do.
And we just getting hit with catastrophic events. Cause it's cleared up now, you know what I'm saying? You see all them cars right here? All these niggas was floating backwards.